today's video is going to be an unboxing of the Daily Goodie Box. This Daily Goodie Box is for the month of May. This video is not sponsored. They did send me the box for free, but you can also get it for free if you sign up for the Daily Goodie Box and review the items, and then you'll be able to qualify to get a Daily Goodie Box to your home, delivered completely free. This is a subscription box that gives you completely free sample items that 95% of them are full size. Full size. You get them in the mail, US Postal Service brings it to you in another little box, and you can open it. DailyGoodieBox.com is DailyGoodieBox.com. That's not their song. Let's get to opening it. Daily Goodie Box. I don't know what the dimension is, but it's a big box full of samples. Oh my gosh! It usually is easy to open. Ta-da! It gives you a little card there to say to sign up, review your samples, and then let's get to doing it. The first item, like if you don't know, I just like to surprise myself with these items. They do send me the list of the items that they're gonna put in the box, but I do not read it till I get the box, and I put it down in the description box where you can find every single item that is in this box that you might like, you might want to buy. You can find it in the link below. Here we go. The first thing, it's this little baggie. This little baggie. Excuse my children. The first item right here, it's in a little zip bag. It's applesauce, and this says squeeze the day, and it's just by Prince and Spring Organic, and no GMO, gluten free, just like a regular baby food pouch. I like this because you can like twist them back, they can like squirt it out like a straw, and it's super duper, and it's a full size. It says use before July 30, 2020, so that's good. A little snacky snack. I like them. Apple's my favorite. That I'm going to get out is this little thing. Woohoo! This little thing says CUSA tea, premium instant tea. And here's a little envelope. In this envelope, let's open it. And look at this. Look at this. It has many little samples because our premium tea in 3 seconds. Variety tea pack. It has 2 English breakfast, 2 mango green, 2 lemon black, 2 chai tea, 1 oolong tea, and 1 green tea. Oolong tea? What is oolong tea? I don't know. Okay, chai tea, English breakfast, oolong tea. This is the oolong tea. It looks some more like, maybe like a grapefruit. I don't know. Yep, look at all this. Single size for you to grab. It's like candy. I like the little packagings. I don't know if like this how you would get them in real life, like single things, or this is just for the sample. But they're handy to have. Excuse me. The next thing. Ooh. Oh my god, what is this? PiperWai activated charcoal deodorant. What? Everything's charcoal nowadays. Activated charcoal deodorant, natural, aluminum-free, gender-neutral, essential oil scent for sensitive skin. And here is how it's the presentation of the item. Ooh, I like this. Look it. I don't know. It has a little seal. Can you see that seal? Like seal, not the animal, but like a seal here. That you can know if it's open or not. I like it. Is it too open? Mom. Oh, look it. This is how it looks. Of course, it's charcoal. So it has like a charcoal color. Mommy. It smells like green tea. I don't know why. It doesn't say. It just says natural aluminum free essential oil scent. Okay, essential oil. That's why it says smell it. Smell it. Essential oil. It does say it smells like essential oil. I don't want to put it because I already have someone. But it does smell good. It smells like a pleasant smell that either one could have. Oh, look at this. KOE. I don't know how KOE or KOE or KOE. Don't know. It's organic kombucha. Organic kombucha, raspberry lemon, a naturally flavored sparkling beverage. Organic kombucha, the easy drinking, great tasting, fruit forward, friendly kombucha. It's kombucha or drink like, I don't know, but it's a nice size. Raspberry lemon. On drinks, I'm a little iffy because I'm very special on drinks, but my husband does try it out after, and I do give a very truthful review. It's a nice size for you to sample. The next thing here, the Luna already got. She says Michael's or Michelle's. Michelle's Granola Original. Handmade is the small batches. Here you go. This is how it looks. It says granola. It says best by August 29th of this year. And that was Layla. Of this year. Let's open it. Right about here. It has this resealable little baggie. It says handmade in small batches. Oh, nice. Look at that. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, very delicious. My God, I gotta record in every single time that I have. And my time consists of 2 children. Yeah. Okay, next thing I already looked at. Goddess Garden Organic. This is a natural sunscreen. Yes, sunscreen to my life. Sunscreen. This is a little tiny little bottle, handy to have in the little tiny bag that I have, or purse. Is this Organics Goddess Garden? It says facial. Okay, maybe it's just for your face. Facial broad spectrum is SPF 30, water resistant. Yes, for only 40 minutes. That's good. 40 minutes is a good time. You go into the pool or whatever. It says powerful protection with no chemical sunscreen. Natural sunscreen contains organic ingredients. Dermatology says just for face. It says children under 6 months of age, ask doctor. So maybe not put this in your like 6 and under children, but sure for you put it. Me, myself, and I, if I were to be in the sun for a amount of period of time, like my 1 minute, gets red instantly, and it burns like it's burning, and I don't get tan. I just stay red, like burning red. I burn, and then I peel, and then I just stay the same color that I was under the peel. I just hurt. So having sunscreen, it's always handy, and I'm always in my garden, so this is handy if I remember to put it on. Next thing, this is a salted crunchy caramels, dark chocolate covered palm sugar caramel. You say caramels or you say caramels? I say caramel because it's caramels, not car and then no A-mels. Caramels is caramels. Dark chocolate caramels. This is how it looks. It looks like a I thought it was a cosmetic item. It says enjoy by May 26th of this year. Ooh, it's almost there. It's almost that time of a year. Okay, let's open it. Oh, look, it's just 3 little chocolates, just like that. It reminds me of the Seas candies. Yeah. Okay, I'll open just in a minute because I have my gnome over here. The next thing, and I think it's the last one. Yep. The last one is Pure Aura Cosmic Shimmer Hologram Foil Mask. Premium Foil Face Mask. What? Made in Korea. Yes! K-Beauty item. Look it. Pure Aura Hologram. Hologram foil mask. I've just watched a bunny's video about mask, K-Beauty. This is nice. Cosmic Shimmer Hologram Foil Mask. Yeah! Try this in a video if I remember to do so. Okay, yeah, and that's all that I have in the box. The other ones are the infomercials that I call them, little information pamphlets about the items. I think my very favorite, can I see the granola? I think my very favorite has to be the mask. It's pretty awesome. The drink, it's one of the items that my husband likes to try. But I think this Michelle's granola, it's favorite eatable item. So that's good. These are also great to have coming, you just put ice, and then this, it doesn't necessarily need to be hot. So let's try that one because we didn't open it. So we're gonna go open it right now because it's not fair if I don't give them a try on camera. And gosh, my children gonna go crazy. Mmm. 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 It's so good. It's so good. Mmm. Oh yeah. Just like a seized candy. Super good. Can you hold on? Applesauce is nice to have. This is a children's favorite and mine. This one, oh, this and the mask, super favorite. Yeah. Oh, the charcoal thing is nice to have, but the mask, super favorite, and the granola. Yay. Delicious. That's what we have on the Daily Goodie Box for today, the month of May. Remember that in the description box will be the link to every single item we had in the box. Hopefully you guys have already subscribed, and if you haven't done so, please subscribe. And thank you very much for Daily Goodie Box to send me the box to review and to share with everybody in the world. Thank you so much, and I will see you next time. Bye!